And it's going to be more of a case study as to how a heritage brand has to navigate the modern market challenges. Birkenstock, established in 1774, has long been celebrated for its dedication to quality craftsmanship and timeless design. The brand's iconic sandals have transcended generations, symbolizing both comfort and cultural significance. In 2021, the company underwent a significant transformation by partnering with L. Catterton, a private equity firm which is co-owned by LVMH. This collaboration aimed to elevate Birkenstock's market presence, positioning it alongside premium brands. The partnership valued the company at approximately 4 billion euros. However, Birkenstock's journey into the public market faced challenges. The company priced its initial public offering at $46 per share, raising about 1.48 billion and achieving a valuation of around 8.6 billion. Despite these figures, the stock debuted at $41, a 10.9% drop from the IPO price, and closed the day at $40.20, marking a 12.6% decline. This underwhelming market performance raised concerns about brand's trajectory. However, we would also like to share with you how Birkenstock is doing financially as of now. Birkenstock reported revenues of about 1.49 billion euros for the fiscal year of 2023, a 20% increase compared to the previous year. This growth was driven both by higher prices and increased sales volumes, with significant contribution coming from the Americas and Asia. However, the net profit for the same period declined to just about 75 million euros, nearly 60% lower than in 2022, primarily due to the increased selling and administrative expenses. For fiscal 2025, Birkenstock anticipates a gross profit margin improvement towards the long-term target of 60%, with expected revenue growth of 15 to 17% and adjusted EBITDA margin increase of 50 basis points. Traditionally celebrated for its focus on product integrity, Birkenstock now appears to be emphasizing marketing strategies over the very qualities that cemented its legacy. Collaborations with high-end fashion houses have kept the brand in the spotlight, and yet there is a growing apprehension that such partnerships, while enhancing the visibility, might dilute the brand's core identity. Furthermore, the introduction of new product categories suggests a diversification strategy which is aimed at capturing broader market segments. While innovation is vital, it is imperative that these ventures don't come at the expense of quality and authenticity that loyal customers have come to expect. In conclusion, what we can say is that Birkenstock faces the challenge that lies in balancing the allure of modern marketing and expansion with the preservation of heritage and craftsmanship that have defined the brand for over 2 centuries. Straying too far from its foundational principles risks transforming the esteemed heritage brand into just another name in a crowded marketplace.